Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the 5 best ways to find Telegram channels that you left earlier. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, open your Telegram application, then tap on the search icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now here you need to type the first few letters of the channel name if you remember even a small part of it. For example, if I type this particular letter, Telegram keeps your recent search history, so all of the old channels often appear automatically here. Even if you left the channel before, the name usually shows here in the search results. So you can tap on the channel and then simply just join the channel. So this is our method 1. In our method 2, what you can do is, even if you have forgotten the exact name of that channel, in the search bar you need to type the topic of the channel. So if the channel was relating to, let's say, quotes, you can just simply type the name of quotes over here. So once you type the quotes or the topic relating to that particular channel, you need to go to the global search, tap on the option of show more, and here you need to scroll through this list until you find the channel that basically you have joined before. You are often going to recognize once you see the profile picture or the description here in this list. So this is our second method that you can try. In our next method, what you can do is you can simply check your chat list archive. So many people forget that Telegram auto archives the inactive or the left chats. So you can come here on the home screen and pull down the chat list. Here you can tap on the option of archive chats and you need to just scroll through to see if the old channel is still saved there. If you find it, you just have to tap on it and then you just have to join it. Now in our next method, you can use your join activity. For that, simply tap on the 3 lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now go to the settings of your device. In the settings, tap on the option of privacy and security. Over here, tap on the option of data and storage and then tap on the option of storage usage. Now inside it, you are going to see the list of the chats and the channel Telegrams has cached on your device. So here, even if you left them, they are going to appear here with their names. So you can tap on the option of channel. You can view the info and rejoin by tapping on it. Now if you have downloaded any kind of photos, videos or the files from that channel, you can also use them to trace the channel back. So for that, in the data and storage option, you just have to tap on the option of storage usage. Here, when you tap on the option of media, you are going to see all of the channels, chats, medias here in the bottom. So that way too, you can find the Telegram channel that you have left. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.